Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you that the Lord said, keep my commandments, keep my words. Are you on the trap? You are not in line anymore with my plans, with my words. Are you in the hurry? Are you in a rush? Don't be rush. Don't be upset. Destroy the works of the darkness. Use my words to fight for it. Fight the good fight of faith and you will win. Take the weapons of warfare. Use my words carefully. Use the sharp weapons of my words. Sharper your weapons. Sharper it. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Bye.